Welcome to the PaperCut Scan training video. After you have logged into PaperCut, select the scan icon. From this screen, you will select your desired destination. Options here will vary based on your configuration. For this demonstration, we will use Scan to My Email. Your email address will automatically populate in the To area. From this screen, you are also able to change the subject and file name of your scan. To further customize your scan, you will select Change Settings. Settings that can be manipulated are the cited options of your original orientation, original paper size, file type, DPI or exposure. The higher the number, the clearer the image. 200 or 300 is great for a text document. And color mode. Prompt for additional pages or prompt for more pages is a batch feature that will allow you to add additional pages to your scan and will wait to put the file together until you signal the job is complete. When all the settings have been selected, tap the Start button to begin your scan. When you are finished, select the arrow next to your name in order to log out. This concludes the training for PaperCut Scan.